Welcome back. My name is Akhil. I am your motivational strategist. Focus मतलब हिंदी में कहूं तो ध्यान। इस क्षण आप जिस पे ध्यान दे रहे हैं वैसे ही बनते चले जा रहे हैं, कहा था स्वामी विवेकानंद जी ने। Wherever you focus, my friends, the energy flows there. Focus goes, energy flows. If a problem comes in your life, if a hard situation comes in your life, if a challenge comes in your life, yes, it is going to come when you will join a job, when you will do a business. Automatically the problems will be there, the challenges will be there. But if you focus all the time on challenges, the problems, you will not be able to perform. बट इफ यू वांट टू परफॉर्म, आपको अगर अपना 100% देना आ गया तो ऑटोमेटिकली आप एक अलग लेवल पे चले जाएंगे। दोस्तों, आई वुड लाइक टू शेयर अ स्टोरी। इट इज अ स्टोरी ऑफ ओहायो, अ पर्सन कॉल्ड ओहायो फ्रॉम जापान। ही वॉज अ गाय हु डिड नॉट हैव हिज लेफ्ट हैंड, उनके पास लेफ्ट आर्म नहीं है। And he want to become something, he want to do something different, he want to become someone different, he want to change his personality. And he remember जब भी वो स्कूल में जाते, जब वो कॉलेज में गए तो सब लोग उनको परेशान करते, सब लोग उनको तकलीफ देते। He thought I need to learn something from which I can defend myself. And दोस्तों, उन्होंने डिसाइड किया कि मुझे कराटे सीखना है। यस, वो बंदा जिसके पास एक हाथ नहीं है, उसने डिसाइड किया कि मुझे कराटे सीखना है। एंड ही फाउंड आउट हु वाज द बेस्ट टीचर इन होल जापान एंड ही वेंट देयर विद हिज मॉम एंड डैड। यू नो, इन जापान वी कॉल मास्टर एज अ सेंसाई। तो जब वो सेंसाई के पास पहुंचे एंड ही आस्क्ड, सर आई वांट टू लर्न कराटे, आई वांट टू डिफेंड माई सेल्फ, आई नीड टू लर्न इट। When Sensei saw him, he saw he does not have his left arm. How can he learn without one hand? And that time, he gave up on him. But that Ohio, he didn't give up on himself. He said, sir, I want to learn. I have tremendous passion towards learning it. And looking towards his passion, his Sensei decided, okay, on a one condition I am going to teach you. You need to follow word to what I say. And Ohio just gave him promise and decided, yes sir, I will do that. You know, understand friends, his complete focus is on what I want to do. What next happened? He started to learn. But now after first sensei decided to tell him the stretching and the initial part. But after that, after 6 months of training, that sensei decided to tell him only one technique. You know, it was a kind of a punch. It was a kind of a punch on opponent to defend yourself and to attack at the same time. Friends, that time Ohio asked him, sir, you have given me only one technique and I have practiced it for more than a year. Only one technique. Sensei said, you have given me promise, if you remember, you will follow my words, you will not question me. And Ohio said, yes sir, yes sensei. And sensei said to him, do one thing, practice it for 3 years, 3 complete years every day, around 45 hours every day you need to practice it. And he gave a promise and he started practicing. After 3 years, Ohio decided that I want to participate in a competition which was national level competition that time. And all the friends of him said to him that you cannot do it. You don't have your left hand. You know, their parents, his friends, his college mate, his professors told him that you cannot do it. But Sensei said, yes, you can participate. Then he participated in that competition. There were 3 rounds. The first round he participated, he got a punch here, there, but he survived and he won that first level. He went into another level. Now the competition was tough. It was not easy. Again, he participated, he completed that second level as well. Now it's a final level, final stage, and Ohio has to focus on that point. Ohio has to focus on opponent. Ohio has to focus on his strength. But friends, his weakness was his left hand. Now देयर वॉज अ कॉम्पिटिशन जहां पे फाइनल में सिर्फ दो इंसान हैं. द स्ट्रेंथ ऑफ ओपोनेंट वॉज टू मच एंड ही स्टार्टेड डिफेंडिंग हिमसेल्फ. एंड आफ्टर फ्यू मिनट्स he applied his master punch. He's applied his master technique on him and he just punched him on the face. That time the opponent fell down and he could not stand up. And Ohio became the winner of that competition. All the media came in. How can you become the king without one hand? And he said, my master taught me one technique. With the help of that, I am the king this year. I won this competition. Now all the reporters' eyes were on him. They asked, we understood that you won this competition with the help of one technique. That one punch, that one technique. But why that technique? Why not other technique? Ohio got surprised. Yes, I have not asked this question. Let me ask it to my sensei. All the media, all the crew went there and Ohio went there and asked to sensei. Sensei, he said, thank you so much sensei for teaching me this technique. But tell me, why this technique? Why only this technique? Why not other? And sensei said to him, before a few years, you came to me and that time I saw your weakness. Your weakness was left hand. Yes. And I understood. I want to give one technique to you that is taught by my master. And he said, Ohio said, why this? Why only this technique, sir? And sensei said to him that this technique अगर आप अप्लाई करते हो तो इसको डिफेंड करने के लिए अप्लाई करने वाले का लेफ्ट हैंड ओपोनेंट को पकड़ना पड़ेगा. यस दोस्तों, बट ओहायो के पास तो लेफ्ट हैंड है ही नहीं. Sensei taught him to focus on his strength rather than his weakness. We can say he converted his weakness into strength. That's what I want to say to you, my friends. अपना पूरा फोकस जैसे ओहायो ने अपने स्ट्रेंथ पे दिया, वैसे ही आपको अपना पूरा फोकस अपने स्ट्रेंथ पे लगाना है. You know, at homes you must have experienced when you sit for dinner with your family and you're watching your favorite Netflix or Amazon series and your complete focus is on there, but your mom says to you, go and give me the salt from kitchen. And आप बहुत गुस्से में जाते हो, मुझे नहीं जाना है, पर आप गुस्से में जाते हो और you are now searching for the salt, but you can't find it. Your mom says, अरे वही तो रखा है, और आप कहते हो मॉम नहीं है यहाँ पे. मॉम वहां से आते हैं और वो सॉल्ट का डब्बा जो आपके सामने था वो आपको दिखाते हैं. Now, where was your focus? You were not watching by your eyes, but you were watching by your mind. Exactly. Where your focus goes, energy flows. मेरे पास, you know, in my all the experience of last half a decade, there are many participants, there are many candidates who comes to me. वो कहते हैं सर मेरे ऊपर 10 लाख का कर्जा है, मेरे ऊपर 15 लाख का कर्जा है. मैं कहता हूं मैं क्या डांस करूं उसके साथ? What should I do for you? जब अगर कोई मुझे आके कहता है सर मेरे ऊपर 10 लाख का कर्जा है, बट क्या आप मुझे मदद करेंगे और 10 लाख कमाने के लिए, वो चुकता करने के लिए, डेफिनेटली उस समय मैं जरूर आपको मदद कर सकता हूं, नए टेक्निक्स दे सकता हूं, नया मोटिवेशन आपको दे सकता हूं ताकि आप वो चीज वापस पा सके. यू नो, स्वामी विवेकानंद जी को पूछा गया, स्वामी जी मेरे पास घर नहीं है, बंगला नहीं रहा, मेरे घर वाले नहीं रहे, इससे भी ज्यादा बुरा क्या होगा? ये सब कुछ तो मैंने खो दिया. स्वामी जी ने कहा बेटा, घर बंगला गाड़ी घर वाले खोना, इससे भी ज्यादा बुरा है वो मोटिवेशन खो देना, वो ध्येय खो देना, वो करेज खो देना जिसके भरोसे पे आप सब कुछ वापस पा सकते हो. फ्रेंड्स, इफ यू फोकस ऑन द राइट थिंग, ऑल द राइट थिंग्स विल कम इनटू योर लाइफ. फॉर एग्जांपल, डू वन थिंग, डू वन टेक्निक. इस क्षण आप जहां पे भी बैठे हो, आजू बाजू देखिए और फोकस कीजिए कि कहां ग्रीन कलर दिख रहा है. यू नो, wherever you are sitting, just see where is green color. See all the green color in your room, on your left side, right side, front, back, up, down. See where is green, green, green. Yes, Look for green, search for green. Okay, now stop. Now tell me, how many times you have seen red color? Yes, I asked you to focus on green, you focused on green, but you forget to focus on red color. Why it happened? Because आप अपना फोकस जहां डायरेक्ट करोगे वैसी ही चीजें आपके लाइफ में वापस से आने वाली है. So shift your focus all the time. You know, a human being gets around 60,000 thoughts in a day. कहते हैं कि अगर 5,000 थॉट्स को भी एक जगह फोकस किया ना तो आप वो अचीव कर पाओगे. फ्रेंड्स अंडरस्टैंड, जहां पे भी आपका फोकस जाएगा वो चीज आपके लाइफ में आने वाली है. अंडरस्टैंड दोस्तों, जिस पे भी आप फोकस करोगे उसको एनर्जी प्राप्त होगी और वो आपके सामने हमेशा आने वाला है. सो डिसाइड ऑन विच यू वांट टू गिव द एनर्जी. यस, यू नो, आपने देखा होगा कि बहुत से लोग ऑल द टाइम प्रॉब्लम्स के साथ डांस करते हुए चलते हैं. आई डोंट वांट यू टू डू दैट. यू नो, प्रॉब्लम्स को डिस्कस करते रहना, हमेशा प्रॉब्लम्स को बता के रहना. सर आपको नहीं पता मेरे साथ क्या हुआ था. मैं अगर आपको बोलूं कि आपको नहीं पता पूरे देशवासियों के साथ क्या होता है, आपका दिल दहल जाएगा, आपको अपना स्टोरी छोटा लगने लग जाएगा. दोस्तों, डिपेंड करता है कि आप किस चीज पे फोकस करना चाहते हो, डिपेंड करता है आप क्या बनना चाहते हो. वहां देखिए जहां आपको जाना है, वहां मत देखिए जहां आपको नहीं जाना. फोकस ऑन वेयर यू वांट टू गो, नॉट वेयर यू डोंट वांट टू गो. फ्रेंड्स अंडरस्टैंड, you need to shift your focus that will shift your life. Thank you so much.